Hello, in this video we are looking at the Supplier Bank Account Audit Log. This feature was introduced into Sage 200C Professional Winter 2018 edition. The purpose of this function is to track changes to either the Supplier Bank Account number or sort code. In addition to changes, it also records the creation of bank account details, amendments and deletions. Okay, let's run through the functionality. I'm already in the supplier list. And if I go to amend a supplier record and then their bank tab, I can go through and change their sort code and the bank account number. And save. As I save the record, the audit log is updated. To see the changes in the audit log, if I close out of the supplier account and go down to Accounting System Manager, and then in Accounting System Manager Audit Log, and then I have the option to View Audit Log. In the View Audit Log screen, I can filter my search criteria. So I could look at a single user and the changes that they've made. I could look at the various different actions that have taken place, so create, amend or delete. I could change my criteria to a date range or to a values instruction. So the values instruction would look at, I think in here I can enter the original sort code or the original bank account number, or I can type in the new sort code or the new bank account number and it will search for and find that audit log. But I'm going to click on display and look at all of the changes that have been made in my Sage 200 system. So by clicking on display, the entries grid is filled, and here you can see the date of the change, you can see the event type, so all of mine are supplier bank account details changes, whether they were amendments, creations or deletions, the person that's made the change, the supplier account, where the change was made, the name of the supplier account, and then what was changed. So here I've got a record of my sort code change. So I have the old value, the original value, and then the new sort code. And then above that, I've got my bank account number, the old value, and the new value entered. If I wish to, I could, within my grid view, I can right click and I could export all of that information to Excel to review. But alternatively, Sage have also included an audit log report. So if I close out of here, and still within Accounting System Manager Audit Log, I've got Audit Log Report. And again, I can set my criteria, so I don't have to see every change. I could filter that. I'm going to run my report for everything, so I'm going to click on OK. And here we have a report of all of the changes that have gone through. So I can see the supplier accounts, I can see the old value, and I can see the new value. So here we're looking at an account number change, or we could be looking at a sort code change. So as you upgrade to the 2018 or the 2019 edition, this functionality will automatically be included. It won't record or show you changes that were applied before your new version was installed, but all changes will be logged after your new version has been installed. It is also worth pointing out that within the audit log section, you do have a purge audit log option. Now, I would restrict who has access to this via your system administrator features option, because what our purge audit log will allow you to do is to delete the record of the bank account changes that have been made. And to do that, the user just simply enters a purge audit records up to date, and any changes that have been made up to and including that date will be removed from the audit log. So if I put in today's date and click on OK, it would have removed all of the changes. So if I go back to View Audit Log and click on display, now I haven't got a record of those bank account details as they've been changed in the system. So as I said, we just want to control who's got permission to purge that audit log. But I think you'll all agree it's great new functionality, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.